Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'm going to talk in detail about these wireless neckband earphone from the brand Zebronics, and the name is Yoga 90 Pro. So let's get started. Now these wireless neckband earphone are really different. The touch and feel is very different because it's made of silicone. So it's super soft plus it's super flexible. So whether you wear it while working out, whether you're traveling, you're going to office, you're just having a morning or evening walk, the feel is very soft because the body is made of silicone. Now these drivers offer a very nice sound quality because these are 10 mm in size and plus these are angular. So it's not a regular earphone. These are slightly different because they have this metal plus silicone. In fact, you get these silicone cups extra also, just in case you're not happy with the feel of these silicone ear cups. You can quickly change because you get another two more sizes, two more different sets of these silicone ear cups, so you can change it. Now, the function key is on this band. So this metal band has all the function key. You can connect this to your mobile phone. It offers a Bluetooth connectivity of 5.0. Plus, if you want to listen to music, FM also, you can do that. If you want to take calls, you can also do that through these buttons. So these are the function keys that are there on this metal band. Plus, you also have this micro USB charging slot, so you can easily charge them. And after it's fully charged, you can use them at one go up to 9 hours. So 9 hours of playback time is a very good playback time that these Yoga 90 Pro offer. So again, you can easily connect this cable, whether if you want to connect it to your laptop or your desktop, you can do that. And as I told you, you get these extra set of silicone cups. If you want to change them after some time, or if they get lost or something, you can easily quickly replace them. Now this is the instruction manual. You can go through the instruction manual just in case you want a better understanding of the product, how to charge and what all are the features that it offers. So this instruction manual also gives a lot of information. So overall, these wireless neckband earphone in today's time are a must-have. Everybody needs a wireless neckband earphone which has a great sound. It has a 10 mm driver which offers good quality sound. The music playback time is 9 hours after it's fully charged at 50% volume, and also it has a Bluetooth connectivity of 5.0, so the Bluetooth gets quickly connected to these earphones. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned in for more.